Good morning, Sunset Knights. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance with us. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I'm Jayla Rodriguez.
And I'm Kamala Cruz.
Today is Wednesday, September 11th, 2024.
And WTKS News starts now.
Let's start with our Word of the Week segment.
Our word for this week is detriment.
The definition of detriment is a disadvantage.
And here's a sentence using the word. She was very involved with sports at college to the detriment of her studies.
Knights, today, September 11th, we'll be commemorating Patriots and Heroes Day.
Today marks the 23rd commemoration of the 9/11 terrorist attacks against the United States.
These attacks occurred at the World Trade Centers, the Pentagon, and aboard the United Flight 93 over Pennsylvania.
8:46 a.m. marks the time the first hijacked airliner struck the North Tower of the World Trade Center 23 years ago.
Teachers and students, at 8:46 a.m., an announcement will be made to allow for a moment of silence in memory of those who lost their lives in the 9/11 terrorist attacks. Knights, today, September 11th. Students, we wanted to let you know that our school bathrooms are now equipped with vape sensors. This is part of our ongoing efforts to ensure a safe and healthy environment for everyone.
We encourage all students to make positive and healthy choices. Vaping is not only harmful to your health, but can also have serious long-term effects.
Please be aware that the use of vaping products on school grounds is a violation of our Code of Student Conduct. If the sensors detect vaping, it will result in disciplinary action.
If you or someone you know is struggling with vaping or other health-related issues, please reach out to our school counselors or any other of our administrators. We are here to provide support and resources to help you make positive changes.
Let's check out today's activities announcements.
Knights, this week we have our annual club rush and our annual back-to-school pep rally during both lunches on Thursday, September 12th.
Come to the spill-out area during both lunches. We also have our annual open house tonight at 5:30 p.m.
Come by with your parents to meet the wonderful teachers of Miami Sunset Senior High.
In sports, our girls volleyball team has both JV and varsity games on Wednesday, September 11th.
We play against Regan on our home court starting at 4 p.m.
Come show your support to our girls volleyball team.
In addition, our football team is playing against Varela on Friday, September 13th at 3:30 p.m.
It is an away game, so head out to Varela and show your support to our Knights football team. We'll see you there. That wraps it up for today's show, Knights.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow us on Instagram at mssh.wtksnews for more updates.
I'm Jayla Rodriguez.
And I'm Kamala Cruz.
WTKS News, signing off.